to show you how to upload video on YouTube and get more views. In as much as not all the video you upload that will get views. Sometimes you upload videos, it gets views, and sometimes you don't get. But there are things that you have to put in place. YouTube Studio, you optimize some things on your settings so that your videos will, if you don't pay attention to those things, you'll be doing the wrong thing and thought you are helping your video. You don't help your video by sharing your video immediately you upload your video. Once you upload your video, you are to leave your video at least 7 days, which is a week, for you to start sharing your video to your Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and also your other social media. Let me take you the practical aspect. You upload your video and go viral. A lot of people say something about uploading through YouTube Chrome, uploading through this plus sign, which is the YouTube plus sign. Now let's go and see what the YouTube plus sign. Many at times I upload my video using this plus sign because sometimes, maybe because of the way where I am, the network is always hard for the video to upload. It's always take time. So a lot of people use it, and I've used this. How many years I've been on YouTube now? Monetize my channel. I've used it. This is a place I use this plus sign. When you get to this plus sign, see video. So when we get to this video, this is the video we want to upload. Once we upload, reach here, just click on this video. The video have automatically appear to this place. Once the thing appear to this place, the next thing you do is to put your title. Let me put the title I want to use for this video. Let's say now this is the title I want to use for this video. Another thing here is your description. You describe this video, what the video is all about. Let me just stop here because I'm doing teaching. Now I've written this is my description. Because this description, you can also use your ChatGPT, you can also use your TubeBuddy, you can use your VGIQ to also create your description depending on the apps you are using to get information from. So this is how you upload it. Now look at this, is on private. I always leave my video on private. It's very important for you to leave your video on private. One of the reasons is that if your video have any issue, if you leave it on private and upload it to the YouTube direct, you are going to get feedback. Like me, I always get feedback. If my video has a copyright or anything, they will inform me that this video have copyright. Then I will now amend that. I will do amendment on that issue, or if I need to delete the video, I need to do anything on that video. I always use my schedule because I'm a very busy person. I do all that thing, so I like schedule my video. When the time reach for the video to go off, the video will go off. But private is one of the best way to upload your video. If you upload your video and leave it private, when you come to this visibility, you will see public, you will see membership only, because this video is already monetized. That's why it has this membership. People pay for this membership. Once you're a member of a very particular channel, now there are some informations that the owner of the video wants to release. I don't want to release to everybody. I want to release to a particular set of people. So this is when this come up. So you pay and be a member of. So we talk about this is unlisted. The best way to upload your video is to leave it private. Like this video is private. I also do a video schedule because of my time. Let's say I want this video to go off today. I will leave it my schedule, put it by 5. That is the time I upload videos. Now automatically I've scheduled this video and it's private. So as I've scheduled this video, once that time reach, the video will go off even if my phone is off. Because why the schedule also help we that is in this kind side of the country or anywhere you are, is that even if your phone will go off at the time you're supposed to press public, the thing will already go because you already schedule it and give it the time the thing will go off. So another thing you do is this place. This is made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. If your video is made for kids, you put it made for kids. If it's not made for kids, just click no, because my own is already no. I've already set it at the Chrome session. So anytime I upload, I don't need to go there again to reset it. Now this place is another place. If you want a particular set of people to watch your videos, you want those in United States, India, Ghana, anywhere you want them to watch your video, you can also identify it here by putting the country you want. So if you don't need it, you just leave it. Like me, not all the video that I use it for. The next one is a playlist. This playlist helps your video to be in pack. Yes, it helps your video to be in pack. So as your video is playing, once the video plays another one will pop up, another one will pop up, and all of them that is in that pack will automatically be popping up. The person will keep watching and watch another and watch another. It will not be that the person watch one video and leave your video and go another, because sometimes you watch one particular video, before you know it, another video will just come up. The person watch the video, from there the person will start watching another person video and leave your channel. So that is the reason we put this playlist. Is very important that you have it. Now this place, he said paid, said, does this video include paid promotion? No, the video does not include paid promotion. If your own include paid promotion, you can also put yes. So this one, alter content, you say no. So another one here is your comment. Make sure your comment section is always on, so you put it on. So as it is now, this video is set to go. The video is set to go. You upload the video, and once this video will upload this video, that does not mean that this video has been fully optimized. This video has not been optimized. So we have to take you to the state through which this video will be fully optimized. Then the video has finally uploaded. So what you do is that you come to these three buttons here, you click here, you see edit. Once you see edit, you allow it to load. It has load. So here now you can do some things you do at that Chrome version. You can do some things you do at that Chrome version here. So look at it. This is our description, which we already done there. So all these things we have already added it. Now another thing is tags. Though we did not add tags there. Tags are those things that is related to the video. These tags describe the things that is related to your video. If you put tags here, you now start adding the tags. Those, like this video is about food. We do food competition here. So funny, I'll put enter. The second one, I'll put food. You click my enter. The third one, I'll put comedy. I'll put enter. Another one, I'll put family, because family thing. I'll put enter. Now let me use these three tags for now. So this is how it is. If you look at this, everything that I said there is already here. You now come to this place, this very box here, you click here, you now pick the thumbnail you like. I want to go and pick thumbnail that I already edited. Now this is the thumbnail, the thing I want to use. Though this is not okay, I'll still make it fine. This is it. You already done your video. Now save it. Automatically you have optimized your video. And there's other ways. This is not the only thing you do, especially when you upload video. If you want to market other videos, there are ways through which you market your other video. By putting your playlist is one of them, putting your end screen is one of them, and also your card. Market other videos in your channels. So when you put all those things, when people watch finish, other videos will appear on the end screen of this video. People always talk about a YouTube studio. So that is it. We save our video. That is complete. So we are good to videos go. We call ad laying videos. These ad laying videos are videos that got more views than the subscribers you have. They do well. Let's say you have 100,000 subscribers. These videos got about 300,000 views, even more. These are the ad laying videos, or we call them micro viral videos. These ones go viral. That does not mean all your video must go viral, or because you upload it through YouTube Chrome, that makes the video go viral, or you upload it through plus sign, the YouTube plus sign, and that does not make it go viral. Whichever way you upload your video, as far as it's comfortable for you, what matters is for you to do the necessary things, and make sure you upload your video the right way and optimize your video. This will help your video to go more viral. So please, if you find what you are doing here so helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, and also share this good news to people that may need it. If you have any question as well, please write very good on the comment section. We will get back to you real quick.